just jumping in here to do a really quick unboxing video. We got a box from shopdisney.com, and there's something I want to show before I give it to my kid. Comes with all your Shop Disney stuff, and it's really, really cute, of course. I'm gonna pull this packing thing out of here. And there's that. And here's the main event, and it is, as you can see, let's get this open. It is a monorail, and it looks like we got monorail blue. Okay, here we go. We have one more birthday present that arrived after your birthday, and I'd like you to come check it out. In that box right there. Are you videoing it? Yeah, I'm taking video right now. Okay, here we have monorail blue. And this was from shopdisney.com. These can also be purchased in the theme parks. And you can see that this is specifically a Walt Disney World monorail. And when I ordered this one online, it did not let me select the monorail color. I believe they are available in blue or red, but I am not 100% certain. And you can see that this comes with some little characters. It's kind of a random, let's see if I can get that to focus for you, random sampling. It looks like we've got, still not focused for you. Looks like we've got Goofy, Lilo, Stitch, and Pluto. And then over here, we have Mickey. Again, it's not really focusing for me, I'm sorry. Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald. This is the Walt Disney World Monorail Playset. Very cool box. I really, really like the style of the box. So let's look at what this comes with. This is recommended for ages 5 and up. And I love this box. This is great. So here we've got, on the back, there's the view of the back. I like how there's a sketch of a bus too. So it looks like this is going to be able to open up. All right, let's see what's in there. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we got little characters. I'm not sure why they put Lilo and Stitch in there. Is that because they're at the Polynesian or something?
Yeah, that would make sense.
All right, so this is what comes in the monorail pack. And you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of the vertical supports. You've got it looks like 12 of the curved ones, and then 2 of these straight pieces, and then you have the figurines and the directions, and of course, monorail blue. So this is how you can put the little figurines in. You can actually open these little doors here, they move. And so then you can put the little figurines in, you know, whatever, they can go for a ride or whatever you want to do. And I think their little legs bend. Opening the compartment for the batteries, because I don't know if it comes with batteries or not. We're gonna find out in a second. Yeah. Update, it does not come with batteries, so you need to get your own AA batteries. It looks like 2 AA batteries is what we need for the monorail, and you will need a fairly tiny screwdriver also. Okay, would you like to do the honors since you assembled it?
I will do the honors.
Okay, let's see this thing go. That is adorable. It's a little shaky. I think it's a rough ride for them.
Yeah.
Poor Pluto.
I like how it says no smoking, please.
It says no smoking. Well, this is a non-smoking place. So. There we go.
I do like the little light on it. And
The light is cute. I love that it has the little announcement.
Why it's a little green?
And it's a little hard because it has like, it's almost always on a curve. And so there are little friends. They were just been thrown inside. And so intermittently we get the audio. That's great. Well, we'll have to get the kid in here and see what he thinks. What do you guys think?
How does it go?
There's a button on top.
Huh?
All right, so what do you think of your new monorail?
I love it.
Good. Shall we see it work?
How does it go
So you
around
turn
by
it-
itself?
You turn on this here. Alright? And then this button, this slider here. Let's have it go that way.
Woo! Woo! It's going forever.
All right, so we've opened up our monorail playset. And what are our thoughts on this item?
I think the build of the lids could be better.
Yeah.
I feel like our 5 and 6 year old are going to break them inside of like one day.
Yeah.
But
I think the track pieces are fine.
Yeah, I think the track pieces are pretty good. They're pretty solid. But, it's a good thing though. I mean, also I'm a little worried about the doors on it. They're pretty delicate. I'm like, maybe this is meant more for decoration. Maybe this is more of like a toy for mommy and daddy.
Well, let me pause this guy here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so on the Monorail playset, like I think that the idea, I'm just gonna move this up a little bit. I think the idea is great. I think the execution, there are some areas for improvement. It is made out of the same type of plastic as this castle that you see back here, which is also a Disney Parks item. And I feel like it's kind of like a plastic that is going to be more prone to breaking. So you'll notice that here we have these hinged doors, but they have like this weird fitting on them and they move around a lot. That doesn't seem like it's going to go real well with our kids. And then the little figurines are fine. You do have the little side doors, like you mentioned. These seem a little bit more likely to be broken by little kids. This is labeled for ages 5 and up, but I think a 5-year-old might have a hard time with some of the elements of this. Like getting these doors to kind of go back in place is a little bit hard to do. So operating the actual monorail is not hard. There's just a switch over on the side, and then you just push the little button for the light and the audio. I think same kind of
fun though.
Yeah, it is really fun. It's same kind of thing with the castle where the durability and the build quality is like not really that great, but it's a unique item that you can't really get elsewhere. So you kind of get what you get. You know, if you want a monorail, a Disney World monorail, this is how you're going to get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I like it. We're going to see how well it holds up and everything. And, we got it at a discount. So that probably helped us with the decision. But yeah, so I know there are different accessories and pieces and things you can add in. But so far, I think we're glad we got it. Yeah.
Yeah. I think it will go well with our Christmas tree, actually.
Yeah, we're hoping that we could put this around the tree. So there you have it. That is the Disney World Monorail playset.
And now for the unboxing you've all been waiting for.